how to auto-save screenshot to Clipboard on Samsung Galaxy S26, S26 Plus or Ultra. So here, if I take a screenshot, you can see that if I open up my Clipboard here, it will save it to the Clipboard. Okay, to do that, what you want to do is swipe down at the top and tap on Settings. In Settings, we scroll down and tap on General Management. After that, scroll down and tap on Samsung Keyboard Settings. Then scroll down to the bottom and make sure you turn on Save Screenshots to Clipboard. Now tap on the toggle button to turn it on, and then if you take a screenshot, it will automatically save to the Clipboard. So here, if I go to my note, and if I want to use that screenshot, I can do so. Here, if I bring up the Clipboard, you can see it is automatically saved to my Clipboard. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you find it helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.